Hi everybody, Ryan from Ryan G's Barbecue and Stuff. Today I'm going to be making a Pornstar Martini for the hashtag drink tips. Also for the hashtag drink tips I'm going to be having Chef Adventures joining me, Just 8 and Blake Hadrian, so go check out their channels. There'll be their cards along the top and I'll also be putting their links below, so check their videos out too. Okay, so I've got some ice chilling down this cocktail shaker. It's always good to have a cold cocktail shaker. I'm going to add some passion fruit into that. I'm going to scoop the insides out. You may want to use a whole passion fruit if you're going to make it for two. This one is for two. I've just scooped another one out there. I didn't really think you'd want to watch it. Scoop out some passion fruit. I'm going to cut this one in half to garnish later on. So we just pop that down there for now and move it out of the way. Next up, I'm going to add some Absolute vodka. Quite a nice brand. This one is vanilla vodka. And I'm going to be adding 4 centilitres, which is a good amount. Bang that in there. Then I'm going to be using some Havana Club Special. For that, we're using 2 centilitres. Then I'm going to be using some cane sugar syrup. Two centilitres again. Then I'm just going to top it up with some apple, peach and mango juice. You generally use passion fruit juice. This has got passion fruit in it, but I couldn't find anything in the stores just because the way things are at the moment, so this is my take on it. I'm just going to top it up a little bit, just enough to give it a good shake. There you go. You want to do it until the shaker gets really cold. I don't know if you can see the frosting on that, but that's how long you got to take it for. And top up the glass with a nice foamy Pornstar Martini. Grab that, float it there to garnish, and top it up all the way to the top. Oh, nearly forgot. I had to get Asti because I couldn't get any Prosecco, but that's fine. Next thing I'm going to do, pop the cork on this. Why not? It's locked down. Top up the shot glass. And that's it. That's my take on a Pornstar Martini. So, cheers everybody. Ooh. So if you like what I'm doing, please do hit the subscribe button. Check out these videos down here. The only thing I'll say now is, cheers everybody. That's really good. See you again soon. put the links to below.